Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Morocco. This is our brand new series here right now in this beautiful sunshine. I can't say the place, so I'm going to pass it on to Ben.
We're actually creased it up because that took us about 5 takes. At one point, she sort of like went and didn't
I was having a giggle fit.
Yeah, we're in Essaouira. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, so let me know if I'm not, because if I'm not, I'm not. This is in the northwest of Morocco. The absolutely beautiful, beautiful day. We're here in, this is filmed in January, and the weather is perfect.
I'm just going to backtrack a few days. We arrived here from London, England into Agadir. We spent a few days there, so go back and watch our latest video. It's such a beautiful city and it's definitely very underrated. We are currently, as Ben said, in Essaouira. Probably butchered it completely. This is a beach city and it is stunning. We arrived here 2 days ago and today is our first official day going out and exploring it. So first of all, we're going to head into the old Medina. I'm walking backwards because this is the lighting and that's the way we want to go. We don't want the shaded lighting. You've got to work with it, guys. Look at this view. This beach is absolutely stunning. It goes on for miles. It's really thick and there's loads of camels all the way over there in the distance.
This is perfect. We don't really get this in the UK. Like, kids are so wrapped up in devices. Today's a Sunday, so obviously there's loads of kids about. But they're all outside playing, enjoying the sun, enjoying the weather. That's what I want to see more of in the UK, really.
So we've got like loads of football going on, basketball, and people out on the bikes. It's just so nice to see. There's a ton of kids here. We could do with something like that in the UK, but then we don't have the weather. The weather here is just beautiful. We found this juice stand, the pomegranate and grapefruit one, and people have been commenting on our TikTok saying you need to try it, and we found one here on the beach, so Ben's going to go and get us one.
How much is it? This 15, orange 10, pomegranate 20 dirhams.
Pomegranate and grapefruit, please.
2 cups or just one?
Just one, please. Say 15.
15, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's it like?
Very sour.
I can imagine. Look at the colour of it though.
Oh, I don't think it's amazing. I prefer the pomegranate juice on its own.
Oh.
Yeah, takes over, doesn't it? That grape.
Yeah, I don't like grapefruit.
Yeah, it's too strong.
That's probably why.
The grapefruit's too strong.
Yeah, pomegranate on its own is better, but this was only 15 dirham.
Cheap.
Pretty good actually for on the beach. We paid 20 for a pomegranate one in the Medina. Not the grapefruit, sorry, I don't like grapefruit though. A bit bitter though, I've got a bit in the teeth. But this beach is beautiful. We went for a stroll yesterday. We had like a day off filming and just went for a walk along it. And I saw like these ice cream sandwiches. So you know me, I like a bit of ice cream. So we might have to get some. But it's actually not that busy, is it? On this?
Yeah, for Sunday.
It's not. There's not too many tourists here as well, which is what I like.
Think it's proper good vibe here, isn't it? The whole town. Everyone's really nice. Really good vibe. Like it here. I would definitely come back here.
This guy needs a sieve. He didn't have a sieve when the juice come out. Normally they do. So we're getting all the bits in there.
It was quick though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was quick, but it's not my best. Pomegranate or the orange ones. We've made it to the Medina. I'm so excited. If you don't know what Medina is, it's like the old part of Morocco with loads of shops and stores. I love the Medina. Don't you, Ben?
It looks well good.
It does, doesn't it?
It reminds you. Do you know what it reminds me of?
What?
Sort of like Luxembourg. I know this is like an odd thing to say, but when we were in Luxembourg, it reminded me of this.
I just think it reminds me of a Moroccan Medina. And of course we've got our argan oil and some cats. Oh, police, go over. Nearly got run over by a police van. Oh, don't think we're actually in the Medina. I think that might be actually the Medina. But there's actually like a cafe we want to go in there. Someone recommended it to us on TikTok. This is why I love TikTok. It gives us so many good recommendations. So we're going to go and try that. No, thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thanks.
I just want to sort of say, do you know, like at the beginning of the series, we said we're going to be more real. Like when we've had an argument, we're going to tell you. To be honest, right, we've actually got on, I don't know whether it's for that reason, and we're a little bit more chilled out and relaxed and stuff. And I hope the videos are coming across more authentic. Hopefully they are. But we're actually getting on really well. We haven't argued at all.
No, we haven't got really stressed. Like sometimes when you get lost and it's hot and you've got backpacks on, that's like the worst things. But everything's gone quite smoothly, which has been quite nice. I think we've been a lot more relaxed though. I'm normally like really a stress.
And the thing is as well, like before people like jumping on, like people may have just seen this video, and be like, oh, if you always argue, then don't be together. Well, we've been together forever, so it's not like
18 years.
we're, yeah, you know, like a proper married couple.
I believe that if you don't argue, then you're not going to relieve your tension and you're going to build it up and you probably end up murdering your husband or
No, and
wife.
regardless of how bad it gets, when you get married, it's to death do you part. We're a team, and we're a team forever.
But I'm grinning because this looks well cool.
Yeah, this looks unbelievable. I don't know why we seek to talk about ourselves.
Let's have a look around here. So we've got all our shops, traditional shops along there. Oh wow. The cafe we were told to go to should be somewhere along here. It's called Pumpkin. Can't actually spot it. That looks nice, that place. Can you see it, Ben?
No.
Oh, we've got loads of food places as well. There's loads of like rooftop cafes as well. So if you go up the stairs, you'll go up and have a beautiful view of like the beach and all that. Loads of argan oil being made over there. Look at the machines. And the woman will be stirring it over there. Maybe the cafe's a bit further. Traditional shoes. Oh, I love like these archways though. We were actually looking on the wrong side. I was reading the map wrong, so it's on the other side, but we found it here. The Pumpkin. Let's go and have a look inside. It best be good, guys.
Hello, how are you? I'll just have a coffee.
You can spend the goods. Oh, posh tea. Love it. Look at that. Fresh mint tea. Oh, you can do it, Ben. You can do it. Oh my god, this looks absolutely amazing. We went for a mint tea. We got like 2 little cups. I love how little the cups are. I'm not like a big mug tea person, so they're perfect for me. Ben obviously got a black coffee, but the star of the show is by far the cake. I think it's like a pastry with lotus on it. We got like a lotus biscuit, and I'm hoping it's stuffed with lotus as well.
Oh, I don't want much then.
I know. Do you want to try some tea?
Go on then, bring me on some tea. Do us both one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good.
That's good, isn't it?
It's really hot though. I'm not really sure, like, is it cakey or pastry? It looks like pastry, so I'm gonna go in and try it. Oh my god, this is gonna be so messy. I'm gonna go in and rip it. Alright, it's not that easy to rip.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's got like a gooey middle. Oh my god, this looks fantastic. Let's try it. That is amazing. That's got a lot of filling and it's really rich with like lotus. It's like a creamy middle. It's like a flaky pastry, but look at the state of my hands. So many more cakes in there, the chocolate ones. Oh my god, that's amazing. Just look at the filling, there's so much in there. I can't believe the mess I'm making here. It's kind of like pastry, but not. It's very unusual and different. It's one of the best things I've ever eaten. It's so good. It's so big as well. But all this comes to 70 dirham. I'm gonna have to go, I need to clean myself up. Alright, well Ben's just finishing off the tea. I'm gonna grab a bracelet. They're only 10. I'm not sure what colour to go for. What colour, Ben? For me?
Black.
No. Maybe blue. I'm gonna go for a baby blue. Highly recommend that place, the Pumpkin Cafe. It's literally on the main strip in the Medina. Definitely try it. The cake's unreal. We're just
So I would recommend it for like couples and like it's quite nice, isn't it?
yeah, it's outside in the sun. I'll definitely feel like my arms are burnt. Ooh, luckily I've got suntan lotion on. But we're going to head to the port now. Supposedly that part of the port was filming Game of Thrones. Pretty excited. So Game of Thrones fans, get ready for it.
A little bit of trivia, I've never actually seen Game of Thrones in my life.
This is how different we are sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm literally a film buff. Ben is like the opposite.
Yeah, boring.
You're probably more music. I couldn't tell you pretty much any song that anyone's sung. Never.
Anyone?
Well, maybe like Bob Marley or the Queen or Taylor Swift. I don't know.
The Queen, you mean Queen?
Queen, see, there we go. Not a music person. Oh, wow, cool. That's, oh, like a nut cake.
Oh, that was well nice.
Oh, look at this.
How much that was? I might get something out of the way back.
Was it stingray? Wow, it's a flatfish. Doesn't mean it's a stingray.
Stingray.
We've got sugar cane, the bread there, Ben. Hello. They're so nice. Everyone likes the camera here. Strawberries. Look how large them strawberries are.
Clear that up, please.
What? It was a stingray.
Yeah, was that a stingray?
Flatfish.
How much?
Try one. Thank you. What's it like? Good?
Yeah, sweet.
Oh my god, they're so good.
Yeah,
Get some.
Come on. Sold it. He sold it. Just like that.
You're making it?
You make it.
Yup.
Yup.
Yeah. They're well good, aren't they?
They're so good.
Loads as well.
Yeah. Chagrin.
How much? 20. 20.
20, yeah.
Merci.
Oh yeah, merci.
These are so good. Look at the cone. We got these for 20 dirham.
That's double the price, isn't it?
I don't know. Let us know down below. Did we pay a lot more? But we found like these side streets. These are better, aren't they, down there?
You get all like the classic food, don't you?
We got like these shoes, as we love all these shoes. Hello. Clothes, jewellery. Quite a few tourists down here, but not over the top.
No, it's quite a nice mix down there. Just obviously, as you expect, they're selling a lot of like souvenirs.
Yeah, but you got like your homemade stuff like this.
Yeah, but a lot of it is catered to tourists. But
Not too bad. Hello, shave. Do you want to shave, Ben?
Oh, I'm okay, man. I'm okay.
He's going to need shave soon.
Yeah, I'm going to need shape. Yeah.
Oh, I like them trousers. I sort of like, I really like the crockery and the woodworks and the patterns here, but obviously we got nowhere to put them.
Feels very, very Moroccan down there. But I'm loving these.
All right, here we are, guys. This is the spot where Games of Thrones was filmed. If you're a big Game of Thrones buff, this is the place. This is the spot where Daenerys turned up at Essaouira, where the Unsullied was, port they walk along. So this here, you'll recognise it if you watch the film. I'll put up a clip. This is what it looks like. And look at the ocean. It's just beautiful. These waves are going mental. But we've got like this bit. I think they stand on here as well. I think this is all part of it. And there's a gate that she enters. But Ben's like well geeked out about it, ain't ya?
I didn't realise I'm married such a geek.
Literally couldn't care less. He's just eating his nuts right there. We're going to have a walk along and have a look up there. But this is so cool.
Look at Reanne geeking out. I haven't got a clue. It just looks like, I don't know what it looks like. It's just a bit of stone.
It's the gate in Games of Thrones when the Unsullied all stand up there and they enter through there. It's so cool. I think all of this is all around here.
Obviously, he's geeking out. Don't really get it. It's been like a good 20 minutes. Like I could not care less. Oh mate, look at her. What's she even taking a picture of? Aside from Game of Thrones, I'm going to give you a little history lesson. So this fortress is called Rompa Monador, and it dates back to the 1800s. These cannons are Spanish cannons, and so is a Spanish fort back in the day.
These sidelines really like old 18th centuries, and they've got like the yellow sand wall colour, but there's a lot of blue put into it. Oh, Ben's going for the cats. But like we've got the blue windows and doors. These little side roads are well nice. Oh, I think we're coming out to the port. We've been trying to look for this for ages. We just like went up the top to see where we could see all the boats, and I think we found them now.
They're coming over here. Hello.
So,
hello.
Thank you. Oh, these clothes are nice as well. Look at these. For Moroccan jackets.
So we're actually filming this during the African Cup of Nations. There's not actually a game while we're here. We're going to be in Casablanca for the next game. I would ask you where to go. It'll be released long after like the tournament's actually finished, which is disappointing. I reckon it would have been absolutely brilliant to watch it here. Look at that. Look at how big the screen is.
We're just heading into port. We finally found it. It's literally at the beginning. We missed it. But you can tell it's port. You can smell the fish straight away, can't you? Obviously,
I thought it was you, Reanne, but you can smell the fish.
Obviously, it's a fishing port. But oh wow, it looks well cool. Proper like rustic, proper fishing village, isn't it?
Proper fishing village.
Let's go and have a look over here. It looks like they've got some like fish on the side. Oh, we're walking like literally in the middle of the road. I was putting them fish on the rods.
Yeah.
For fishing.
Yeah, everyone's like hard at work here.
Wow.
This is like a proper workplace. It's not tourist. Well, I say it's not touristy. There's loads of tourists here, but this is not a tourist place.
This is a work spot.
It's a work spot, yeah.
It's well called the Blue Wooden Boats. Not many boats out at the moment. I'm guessing they go out early in the morning.
Yeah, like hundreds and hundreds of boats all docked up. So yeah, like Reanne said, they must go out in the morning.
They're selling the fish here. We've got some crabs over here.
Crab.
Oh, look then.
Stingray.
What's this?
Stingray.
Oh, they're doing oysters. Oh, they've got like little fish platters.
Yeah, like cockles and mussels. Hello, how are you?
No thanks.
No.
It's good, huh?
Do you want to try one?
I'm okay. Later.
Let's
See ya.
see ya.
Whatever you want, they got it here.
Over there, they're actually like cooking the fish. How fresh is that? Literally, the fish is coming in, and you can go and sit in that restaurant and have it.
Madness. But I have got a bit of a gripe. Reanne said, I wish I liked fish. She's 34 years old.
He thinks I'm childish because I don't like it. I can't help it.
If you wish you liked fish, and you're 34 years old, you'd like fish, wouldn't you?
Oh, get lost.
She obviously doesn't wish she liked fish. She's just an absolute child. Really grinds my gear, it does.
I feel like these pigeons are going to nick a fish in a minute.
They're not pigeons, are they? They're seagulls.
Seagulls, sorry, it's seagulls.
You're sleeping?
Live.
Yeah. You catch these this morning? This morning?
Yes.
Wow.
Whoa. Very big.
Big. Sell to the restaurant. Restaurants buy.
Restaurant for
Do the restaurants buy these?
this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
do the restaurants buy it?
Ah, a restaurant
Yeah.
for cooking.
Yeah.
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 Payer.
Yeah?
Just here.
Oh, down there.
Oh,
For
okay.
barbecue.
Yeah.
Ooh, very
Wow.
nice.
It's possible.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, he just said he caught that this morning, and yeah, they're still alive. The crabs. So, as Reanne was saying earlier, ultimate freshness. But these seagulls are like thieving all the fishes. I've seen a few of them jump, like grabbing fishes and like nicking them for their family, and they're flying real low. I'm just frightened that I'm going to get hit by one.
We're just going to head back now. We're a little bit tired. We've done so much walking and it's getting a bit hot on my head as well. So we're just going to take a nice stroll along the beach and I'm going to test out the water. I haven't actually been in it yet.
Right, we're all beached out. I've just got a chance to show you our traditional Moroccan house we're staying in. Go and check this out. Right, as you can see, it's huge. I'll show you around. So we've got bathroom, a massive sitting area, but I couldn't believe that this was huge, but this is just one of two sitting rooms. I'll show you the other one. So through here, you've got another sitting room, little kitchen. So this is like a proper, like traditional Moroccan. This is how they sort of live, with all your like pots and pans and stuff. It's like a gas stove. And then in here you've got the bedroom. But that's not even the best bit. Honestly, I'll show you up the stairs. There's a little terrace I've got to show you. Hello.
Oh, perfect timing.
So this little terrace we have here, this is like private for us. But yeah, that's our little home, and got like an Airbnb. We'll leave the link in the description. Absolute bargain, we thought.
Just got myself a Hawaii to finish the day off. Everyone keeps recommending us try it. It looks like it's passion fruit, coconut and orange in it. Oh, I see why. It's very summery and fresh.
So we're going to finish the video here. Make sure you watch the next video because we're heading to Casablanca. Subscribe. Why
Are you walking? You make me laugh.
Why are you not saying anything?
Because you're walking and make me laugh.
Right. I don't know, what must I say? What else should I say?
No.
Oh,
Right, one, two,
your
go.
baby prom.
Wait for the squad to go. Do you not walk so fast? Remember, my legs are smaller.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
What was that?
Bitty. That's milk.
So we went for a green tea. It is literally fresh mint. Green tea?
Minty.
Sorry. I've got so